The wait is over. After 15 long years, the Toyota 4Runner has made a dramatic comeback, and the 2025 model isn't just an upgrade, it's a game changer. Packed with cutting-edge technology, impressive powertrains, and an iconic design, this SUV is ready to redefine adventure for a new generation. Under the hood, Toyota has bid farewell to the classic V6, replacing it with the advanced iForce 2.4-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine. This beast delivers 278 horsepower and a robust 317 lb-ft of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. This isn't just about efficiency, it's about delivering power and torque tailored for both city commutes and rugged off-road trails. But here's where things get even more exciting: the iForce Max hybrid powertrain. Available on trims like the TRD Pro and Trailhunter, this system pairs the turbocharged engine with a 48 horsepower electric motor, cranking out a combined 326 horsepower and a jaw-dropping 465 lb-ft of torque. Whether you're conquering steep mountain paths or hauling heavy loads, this hybrid setup offers unparalleled performance, easily putting rivals like the Ford Bronco on notice. Inside, the 2025 4Runner seamlessly blends modern technology with its rugged DNA. The base model comes equipped with an 8-inch touchscreen, while higher trims boast a stunning 14-inch display and a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. Convenience features like a smart key system, wireless charging, and ample USB ports enhance the driving experience, making it perfect for adventures on or off the grid. What makes the 2025 Toyota 4Runner truly special is how it honors its legendary legacy while embracing the future of hybrid technology. This isn't just an SUV, it's a revolution. Whether you're navigating the urban jungle or exploring uncharted terrain, the new 4Runner is your ultimate companion. The king of SUVs has returned, and it's better than ever, more powerful, more advanced, and more ready for adventure. The 2025 Toyota 4Runner isn't just back, it's here to rule.